Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Now this video is getting posted way late, but we are celebrating my birthday in Jerome, Arizona. Of course, we had to go to the Haunted Hamburger. Now you guys, I got one of their shakes for the first time. Mind-blowing. And look at how good these onion rings are. This is the double haunted burger. You can get it with a normal meat patty, or you can get a veggie patty or a turkey burger. And Mr. Cameraman got his usual sourdough chicken sandwich. After that, we went to a olive oil balsamic vinegar store that we have never been to, and I've always wanted to go, and it was super fun because the guy that was working was letting us sample everything, and a couple of them were really not my style, but some of them were just really funky and fun. And just wait until you guys see what me and Zena got myself for my birthday present. I've been waiting all year. Okie dokie, guys. We had a killer time in Jerome, and here is my Christmas tree. I was so excited once we got to the Christmas store that I forgot to film. But if you guys ever go to Jerome, I can't even remember the name. It's totally not memorable, but they changed the name. This store used to be called Mooey, Christmas, and Udder Things. I mean, how amazing is that? Their logo is like cow print, and then they changed it to some like corporate-y sounding, boring, non-memorable name after they got bought. So yeah, but this Christmas tree is a Sterling Tree Company brand, and it's the LED Southwest Christmas Cactus 5 feet. And yeah, that's kind of the little, what do you call those? Stats or whatever. So, I think I am just going to, rip this thing open. So right when you open it, this is just what it looks like, and they have some instructions here. Hopefully, I think I'm not going to need those. But, you guys, I just realized something. You don't have to fluff this. It's already, like, look, all of the needles are already, like, fluffed. How amazing is that? So it looks like this is actually, oh, that's interesting. So it's 2 pieces. So this is 1 piece. You guys, I am so excited for this. I have been waiting for this all freaking year. This, they had this for sale. I looked online. They do have a retail website, but they don't have the Cactus Christmas trees on their website. This was $189, which I am so in love. So then this is going to go like right here. I am so in love. I really don't think that that was very expensive. They do have another version of the tree. It is the same height, but it is fatter. Like it's thicker overall, and it's not colored lights. This is colored lights and white lights, which honestly, I would have been perfectly fine with an unlit Christmas tree. I'm not a huge fan of pre-lit, just because then once the lights go out, the whole idea of the company is they want you to throw away the tree and buy a whole new one. So I'm going to leave this put together, hopefully even in storage. So I don't think I'm going to have a problem with the pre-lit light strands on this tree, partially because this thing is going to be so easy to store, because look how skinny it is. I mean, it is a very slim tree. So I think it's going to be really easy to store. So let's get the base out. And let's put this thing together. Okie dokie, artichokies. So what I did was took this little cap off of the bottom pole. And then I inserted it down through after I had spread open these, and then you just insert the little twisty thingies, screw it in, and it doesn't feel like super sturdy, but I mean, what are you going to be doing with a Christmas tree that it needs to be like super sturdy? See how the arm is kind of like a little wobbly? So now I just took off this cap, and now we are just going to insert this into the hole right here. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it! I did kind of, I bent the arms out a little bit. You can kind of adjust how you want the tips to be. So I got that one kind of going straight a little bit, which not all saguaros are straight up and down anyways. So, oh my gosh, I literally freaking love this thing. I like it when the arms are kind of like splayed out like that. I think that is so cute. Now, I don't know if you want to be like bending these a ton, but yeah. And it does have a 2-year warranty. So now you just have to plug in this from the top half to the bottom half. You guys, I am dying. Look, so I just plugged it in. The only thing is the cord is like ridiculously short. So I already have 2 Christmas trees. Zena's Christmas tree. I know there's no ornaments on it. They're all up here. It falls over if I put ornaments on it. So I had to somehow weight down the bottom. Here is our big tree. And then here is the new saguaro tree. So I have this timer, this smart timer back here that's hooked in with Google, and everything gets plugged in right here. But the cord for this, look at how short this cord is. That, and then it goes to the tree right there. That's, so I don't know, but I think that is a pretty short cord. But it is what it is. So let's see what the different, okay, so this is now changing from multicolor to white, which I kind of love. This is changing faster. And look at the lights. They're like those little cylinders on the ends. This is even faster. And then that is no lights. And that is just solid white, totally hella boring. That is solid color, not my style. This is really slowly flashing white. Then really slowly flashing multicolor. That was kind of funky. Whoa, so it like slowly, but each light goes at kind of a different speed. So I don't know if you, like, look at these 3. They all turn white at different times. Or kind of, not really, but that, I'm kind of in love. See, because I already have these crazy flashers on our main Christmas tree. So, I don't know. I think that's too slow. I like craziness. Solid flashing off to white. Solid flashing off to multicolor. Fast flashing off to multicolor. I think I like this one. Oh my goodness, I love it. Let's get a backed up view. And you guys, oh my gosh, look at how bright those lights are. I am in love. Look at that. I love craziness. Okay, now watch. This is the coolest part. So you can see, like, right now I have it kind of angled. You can twist the top. So that is like whatever kind of like, whatever vibe you're going for. So I really like that. So it kind of like comes into the Christmas tree. And you guys, there's about a bajillion ornaments on this tree. I don't want to see the tree. I want to see the ornaments. So like this, it just like adds like another layer. Like you kind of have to like peek through to see the ornament. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am so freaking excited. Again, if you weren't listening, this is the Sterling Tree Company LED Southwest Christmas cactus. But don't even try to buy this online, guys. Don't do it. Go to Jerome, Arizona. Go to the Christmas store that has a terrible name. It used to be called Mooey Christmas and Udder Things. So go there. It's like down super steep stairs. It's like in the basement. Oh my gosh, you guys. And you have to get it there. Not sponsored. Oh my gosh, I would die if a Christmas store wanted to sponsor me and Zena. But yeah, we are in love. And I don't know where Zena went. Zena! We got a couple of ornaments. You guys, Mr. Cameraman, he thought I was buying this tree to like spread these ornaments out onto it. And I'm like, are you absolutely nuts? This is so I can get more ornaments. So again, if you guys are interested in going to Jerome, Arizona to buy this, the tree is the cactus tree lighted 5-foot 200 warm and colored lights, $189.99. And then the two ornaments I'm about to show you, $6.99, $25.99. And we got these. Mr. Cameraman's mom got me this. This is like a pop-up ornament thing that we got from another store, but it's the Wish iridescent holiday decoration. But I'll show you guys the ornaments. So this is the quail family. Look how freaking cute that is. Handmade, obviously. Look at how pretty it is. The little mommy and the babies. And then it says Jerome Ave. And then we got a beautiful dragonfly. The dragonfly was the one that was only $6.99. But now I'm going to put this thing together. Holy guacamole. We saw these in the window. I can't remember what shop we got them at, but they literally look like crystal. I mean, I saw it and I didn't care what it cost. I had to have it. So I was expecting this to be like at least like glass or like thick plastic. I thought it was going to be like 20 bucks, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. They had different sizes. This thing was only like, I think it was $7 or $7.99. You guys, that is so freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Now I want to end this by saying thank you so much for watching this video. And the reason for this season is Jesus Christ, Christmas, Christmas. So I don't want to seem super materialistic. I mean, obviously to a lot of people, this is going to look super materialistic, but the way I look at this is God has blessed me and my family and my friends and the people around me to be able to make all of these amazing, great memories. If you guys saw my full Christmas tree putting up video, you will have known that all of these ornaments, and some of them aren't even ornaments. Like this is literally just the candles from a church service, a Christmas service, a bow from a gift that someone gave me, and they're just really, really meaningful to me. And I am so blessed to have been able to make these memories. And, you know, God is in every single one of these memories. Even if it's not like a super godly thing, He is with us at all times, no matter what. So I am just so grateful for that. I'm so grateful for Him. And I hope that He continues to bless this earth with all of these fun, exciting memories. Even the bad memories are still good memories because He is blessing us in ways that sometimes we don't even understand. But definitely check out this Christmas tree. Like I said, don't even look it up online. Just go to Jerome, Arizona, to the Christmas store. It used to be called Mooey Christmas and Other Things. Tell them that their new name is terrible, that they should switch the name back, and then buy this Christmas tree. I love this ornament, guys. Oh my gosh. Okie dokie. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Let's go find Zena. Zena, are you taking a little nappy nap? Make sure to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.